Y'all would not believe how stressed today has been in the last just 10 minutes. So I walked inside, GoPro, I'm not the GoPro, the camera, I can see quality is a little better. The camera was dead. So now here we are again, trying to get on a whole new memory stick. I had to format an old memory stick. I'm hoping all that footage is on the laptop, because I really want to record today's footage on this camera, not the GoPro. Ain't nothing wrong with the GoPro, but like, I don't want to use that. So hopefully whatever was on this SD card prior, it's somewhere. Let's just hope to God. But we're gonna go inside this truck show over here, and we're gonna see what we're looking at, see what we can see and see what we can find, and go from there. Let's go. I'll tell you, I love them JJ lights, like this right here. Beauty. Sorry if you guys hear keys, it's definitely on my hip. Come like a janitor, yeah, I know. Cab over. A lot of guys kind of already took their trucks and left, but I think the event started at like 8, 9 this morning. But boy, oh boy, I am excited to see what we can see here. Catch you guys when we see some more nice trucks. I'm gonna try and get you guys a close-up of a lot of trucks. These are the stacks that I want to put in my truck. I love the stack setup. This right here is literally like my favorite style. Try and get you guys a lot of raw footage. Oh, my autofocus is solid. Autism truck. I feel like a lot of people had to see this. Wow. Wow. Beautiful, literally. Floors and everything. Decent amount of stretch too. I don't know even know which way to go. We're gonna go this way and then go around. So much nice trucks here. Oh my gosh. Oh, wow. That is amazing. The reason I feel like I need a day cab is for some stretch. Oh my God. And everybody's had to have seen this truck a few times. TikTok, Instagram, no matter what it is. I need a wider lens, that's what I need. Oh my gosh. Watermelon lights. I've been thinking about those for the inside of my truck. Trailer to match. Whew. I feel like I need to go find the dump truck section, because I just want to see what the dump trucks is looking like out here. I'm definitely getting some ideas for what color I should paint my truck for sure too. Wow. Oof, this color. Oh my gosh. Look at the turbo blanket. Look at the turbo. Looks like a PDI friggin' manifold. Air it out to the floor, to the belly. Damn. Love these headlights. Literally my favorite style. Air it out too. There's so many sections I gotta check out. Oh my gosh. Wow. Alright, here we go. The dump truck section. Oh, look at the flaps. Oh my God. Oh my God. Lights on the side. Yes, sir, man. Oof. Oof. See, this what I'm talking about, man. I need to do the floors of my truck, man. My boy getting lit. Wow. Bro, the seat not on the floor. I couldn't even tell you what kind of transmission this is. What? Bro. It's a good truck too. It's amazing. Amazing. See what else we can find. I'm gonna keep it rolling too. We got the next dump truck. So nice. W9. I'm really honestly looking for ideas and nice colors to paint my truck and good schemes, good color schemes to paint the truck. Yo, these guys can have tint on their truck and it's not fair because Connecticut do not allow that. That right there is a pretty solid color too. That is nice. Dump trailer, you guys already know that is my passion right there. Oh my gosh. That is amazing. Oh my lord. Alright, let's keep moving and see what else we can find. How cool would it be if, like, imagine, right? If we as K-Wave Trucking could come down here like this, take a whole row, 6, 7 trucks, just dump trucks, maybe a few day cabs. I don't even know what I want to do with my business. I just know I have one truck, but like, imagine it. If we literally came down with a series, like so many trucks. Oh man, I don't even know. Like, I want to have a fleet and then I don't want to have a fleet. I just know that these are some beautiful trucks. Watermelon lights, man. Always loved trucks that when they have a sleeper on it, sleeper has a little heart on it. I've always found that so different. I wonder what kind of line of work what trailer is he pulling to need a hard hat? Hard hat look like it got some use in it too. Tinker maybe? Wow. Amazing. White trucks, you guys know I'm a sucker for white trucks. Wow. Whew. Damn. Yeah, see this right here? Listen. Wow. Trying to be diverse, you know, catch all types of styles of trucks for you guys, not just dumb trucks. Oh my, this day cap. So I feel like when I say I need a day cap, this is all I need right here. Nothing too I mean, this kind of done up, but like nothing too much, nothing too, you know, just a nice stretch, just a little stretch. Day cap. Wow. I know this thing looks amazing. I wonder if it has lights. I know a lot of guys recently been putting like lights underneath the frame to have the watermelon shine on the floor. That is a nice look in my eyes. I love that. I think this is all one company. Imagine if this could be us, guys. Oh my gosh. We get a great fleet of drivers, a great fleet of trucks. Like even this. What if the black on my truck was this? Look at how clean that. Oh my gosh. My black is horrible. Motor might be black, but you know, you see that cat filter, you know what it is. Tints. Oh wow. That is nice. Oh yeah, I think I might have to stay for the light show now. Hey, CT RS, I know that company, man. This is nice. Oh damn, they got what are these called? Heavy haulers, big rigs? Not big rigs. What am my mind is blanking right now. Tow trucks. There we go. feel like there's another name for them though. Tow away. Wow. Alright, let's see what else we can find, y'all. Let's keep moving. A red truck that I think I might recognize. Yep. I know who this is. I met this guy at the racks one day.
Sorry.
I know exactly what he pulls. This guy's truck is so nice. And when I tell you, his stacks aren't even that big. When I say this truck is loud, this is a good truck right here. This is a good truck. Good guy too. Real nice guy. 00-1. I wonder if I'm like so late to the point where they did the little Jake contest and all that stuff already. I know those trucks. I think Company Apartments, I think. I see SRS. SRS got their fleet over there. I definitely gotta go see SRS. I don't know if I'm doing too much talking for you guys. You guys rather just music, so I think some portion of this video is just gonna be straight montage-ish. So yeah, I could just, you know, show you guys some trucks. And then we'll come back together and talk some more after. I'm not gonna lie to you, Mack dump trucks go crazy. I feel like this guy needs some double stacks, but you can't go wrong with that. You cannot go wrong. We got a lot more trucks down there we gotta see, but I'm gonna just walk the outskirts real quick. I just really kind of like wanna see all the yeah. I was just about to say, I haven't seen a tall shifter yet. They're going right inside that truck. I've been waiting to see a shifter. Yeah, look at this. Look at that, my boy. Damn. 18-2, red button. Yeah. The orange trucks that we used to work for, Caliver. You guys see the name. I don't know why I'd be so scared to say their name. Hey, Onyx. It's my dog's name. But Caliver was here earlier with his dump truck and everything, and I missed it. As I was coming here, he drove past me leaving, but he said there was a few trucks that look like mine. So I'm kind of looking to go see those and how the style of those ones are built, because I really want to change the look of my truck up. Oof. If I can get a job at SRS. Do y'all see the lineup right here? Dump trailer. I just want to know, how do I get in? Where do I apply? I can put my truck like right here, you know? I'll buy a tractor, paint it black and orange. If they give me the dump trailer. They got a tank. I didn't even know SRS does tanker. Wow. Some of these trucks I haven't seen before. I've never seen this one before. Wow. When I tell ya, Macks go crazy, this is the type of Mack I'm talking. Bro, if the Mack look like this, and they got these stacks right here, just know, oh my God, it's a screamer. Put this subwoofer, bro. Yo, this dude's driving comfy every day. Every day, oh my gosh. The headset on, bro. Damn, this is a truck. I've seen this, oh, yeah, I know exactly, this company's out of Wallingford. Wow. They do a lot of like recyclings, metal recycling. Hamden, I said Wallingford, too far. These guys, these are trucks right here. And then obviously got Ryco. If you don't know Ryco, man, oh my gosh, yeah. Their fleet goes crazy. They do a lot of dump trailer, low boy flatbed type style work. Yeah, this is M&W. It's funny, I was thinking about buying a day cab and seeing if I could lease onto them because like I love their line of work. Big old Sims, not Sims, the recycling metal trailers. This is a color. Oh my gosh. Yeah, I feel like I missed a lot of the good trucks that were here. Don't get me wrong, there's a lot of still good trucks here, but I feel like I missed a lot of, like, you know, I know for sure I missed a lot of my local guys. Like all my Connecticut guys, they've been left and went home. I feel so bad because I wanted to catch their truck and put it on YouTube because they got some heat and it's just so underrated. Like, oh man. I'm not gonna lie, I was gonna say Lego. Some solid trucks here. And I was standing on the other side and I seen a few trucks that look kind of like my style, like a 359. But so far I haven't really seen any 359s. I see a lot of 379. I haven't seen any 578s, which is kind of surprising. But then again, I am kind of late to the party here. Cause them 578s, I feel like they're kind of coming up right now. Them guys got some nice stuff going on with them 578s. They be having a front end of like a 37. No, the front end is rounded off, but the sleeper is like a 379, and then they have these kind of stacks. It's a nice look. I like them. If y'all don't know what I'm talking about, I love the old trucks. Oh, that's tough. Wait, my boy got a visor on the plate. Nah, that's fire. That's fire. Here goes some more dumb trucks. I think I want to say I've seen this truck before. Might have had a different body on it. This is the solid one right here. I'll have to turn around and catch all the trailers for you guys. Truck and trailers matching. Connecticut bulk. I was talking to this guy too at the racks one day. I think we was running heating oil. He definitely did. Oh my gosh. Look at the heat, bro. Wow. I have so many ideas for my truck. I just want to do them. I've actually recorded this truck before. This right here. Whew. Me and this guy I think I got this guy's number. Great guy right here. Yep, see this is a trailer. I think it might have been his dad's company, 1993, as heating oil. Or diesel, I guess. Either or, but this is, wow. Flap setup on the trailer. There's a lot to admire here. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. There's a really a lot to add. This color, damn. Y'all not gonna be able to see this. Yo, this. Oh my lord. Nah, he got it. Dare I say he got it? He got it. This is amazing right here. Wow. The color, the studs, paint match trailer, lines under the trailer. Oh my gosh. I've never actually seen that. Yeah, 1 antenna on the back. Nah, this is amazing. Wow. Now I gotta take a picture of this. Can never go wrong with a K-dub right here. W9 low. Cat 3408. My bad. My fault. Trailer to match. Twin stick. Oh shit. Yeah, let me see how this shift pattern. Low, under, over. Wow. This is pretty tight. Manifold wrapped up. Stretch, man. It's funny, when I was doing tanker, all I wanted to do was just have a Pete with the tanker behind it. This is kind of like a water trailer. Walking floor.
Oh, wait a minute. Oh, I gotta get the other side. No, get the cable. Oh, yeah, you're right.
Oof. Cab over. Oh my gosh. Glider. Wow. There's a lot of nice trucks here, yo. They said they were supposed to be doing like a drag strip racing or something like that. I don't know where that's happening at or when it's going on, but I'm just gonna keep filming trucks for you guys. Wow. See this guy coming in and out of New Haven every now and then. Haven't seen this in a while, the red one. You already know, I already know what company this is right here. Eastside, I lied. Wallingford, what? Wow. Oof. Oh my, this color right here? I be wanting to do like a nice look, like this is, damn. This a blue right here. Can you imagine switchbacks with this too? Oh yeah, beautiful. Look at the gray, yo. Can you imagine the blue and or the gray on the Pete, on my Pete, on the dump truck? Look at this, it's so clean. The blue, it's so conflicted. And even this tan is amazing. Oh my God. Dump trailer behind it, step deck. Oh my God, so much. I think this is the second classic I've seen out of the whole truck show. Man, I wish I knew about this in advance. I would have definitely told my boy to bring his yellow one. I'm not gonna lie, his yellow tractor. It may not be friggin' 130, 45 billion%, but it is one bought up yellow classic. I gotta see if I could do like a review on his truck one day for you guys. Dump trailer with 1,010,000 axles. Amazing, old iron. Look at this K-Dub, look at this thing. You gotta really appreciate some of the older trucks that come through, like for real. Wow. On the day cab? On this one? No. I'm talking behind it. Oh, yeah. The black day cab, that gotta...
That's like a cool 810.
That gotta be like 10, 11. It look custom.
This is like DF to it, or is it just quiet?
Yeah, bro, I don't know. All I know, bro, if it's pulling, bro, I gotta take out my phone.
I hope this don't disappear.
What he say? Did he say C15? I heard C.
It might be, because the C15 quiet like this, if there's no work to it.
Bro, that shit gonna spit something serious.
Nigga, I don't know, bro. Don't disappoint.
We're gonna see. Dump truck clean in the dark. Yo!
On the other side of the track, right? We're diagonal from where the pink truck is loading up.
So what is it? They pulling the opposite way when they pull this shit?
I think so.
Yeah.
Bro, once you jump off of that dog.
I'm telling you.
This might be the heaviest truck to pull anything because it got the body on it.
Now that bottom probably, that's an aluminum body. That body probably don't weigh much.
It's still heavier than day cab. You can't.
I get it. I get that. Cause that truck probably double frame too.
Exactly. That's what I'm saying, bro.
5 feet rounded over.
ass weight.
I want to know what the weight of it is though. Like, how much is everybody really pulling? The guy obviously in the
How many
machine
gears
is
do you think they
steering it.
grabbing by the time they get into this one? 3? 4?
Most of them only look like they're doing 1 or 2.
That's what I'm saying though. But they got some long gears that they kept the speeds like that though.
Damn.
With some short ass rears.
We had rain and they stuck
Stacks. Yo, these stacks right here. Oh my gosh.
Yeah, they rolled the track. And they're rolling the track every time they roll now. Oh yeah. I'm like, dude, we had too much rain.
The drone in the sky. Shooting the radar. Damn.
Dump truck.
Everybody, yeah.
Damn, GG. GG.
I don't think that wasn't on him necessarily. That was on both of them. Something happened in there.
Damn.
No lie, like everybody from Gateway is like really here.
Round 2. He pulling. I ain't gonna lie, he is pulling. Wow. I was waiting for all of them to go white.
Probably not do it with this guy.
He slaps one to go on this. I'm not gonna lie, this would have it, no, without a doubt.
I wonder if the shit behind the car goes Bluetooth. Probably. Now I can finally see how they hook it up and shit. Oh, that's it, really? I ain't gonna that's a lot. I trust in them chains.
Just one hook.
I done broke 2 already. I sent him a little strobe. I just said, yo, where you at? Where this?
That's a truck, man. Oh. Ooh. Oh my gosh. Yeah. It's like a whole, it's literally a whole different array of trucks.
Hey, Lawson, look at this shine on that shit, bro.
Nah, I'm not gonna lie. I can't justify buying a truck just to buy a truck, but like I feel like I need one. Bro. Oh my gosh. Yeah, he let everybody know, bro. Boston, Mass. Greeny. Ooh, look at the green. Nah, I gotta go down there. Oh, this is. I wonder if he really got switchbacks on this truck. That's his truck, right?
Yeah.
That's tough. So tough. So tough. Wow. There's just so much greatness here. For a second, you would have thought this is the truck that I used to run. Virgin with a dump trailer. Def singing on this. 389. I don't see a Def tank though. Nah, it gotta be. Nah, son. There's no Def tank. This is just turbo. It's idling like, bro, what's in this? Shine a flashlight in here? I gotta see the motor, bro. What color? Red? Packard. Damn.
What's the pack for real?
Damn. Damn. Wow. You would have really thought that this had Def with the way it's singing right now. Not gonna lie, this is a great truck. Slap a Def tank on this DOT, you would never know.
Probably until you press the gas button.
Oh my gosh. My man's got it. My man's got it. The trailer is like this on both sides. Oh my god. This is how I literally want I want to put these lights on my dump truck. I figured. I gotta figure out how to wire this on the dump truck, y'all. Pete needs that. Oh man. I don't know, you never know. I gotta catch this. I gotta catch this. L&L on the top of the trailer, their company name. I need to learn dump trailer so bad. I need a lane. Somebody teach me, please. Just think about it, bro. We could be K-Wave trucking. Look at it. Look at the fleet. Look at the. That's a dump truck, bro. That's not a day cab.
Brothers.
Oh my gosh.
Bro, can you imagine K-Wave trucking just coming down the road? Look at the dump truck, bro. Hey, yo, my bad, bro. Yes, sir. Yeah, everybody win the medals out here. That's crazy.
I stopped at this dump truck. I'm like, why does it look familiar?
Is this Diamond J? I don't even remember passing this truck. I'm not gonna lie to you. Oh, the Kenworth. Oh, truck builders.
This shit caught my eye, and I'm like, why does shit look familiar?
The back of the. So this how they swing?
They open both ways.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Wow. He in there. You seen that? He in there.
Oh, yeah. I was just trying to see if that's the one that Flavy got.
The lights?
Yeah.
Bro. $19.79. I keep telling y'all about these Macs with stacks. I hope that truck not idling. Gotta take them buckets off. The day that my truck won the trophy, I think I'll feel complete. Wow. Just wow. Alright, y'all, we have no more storage left in the camera. I hope y'all liked this video. Like, comment, subscribe on the video. I'm sorry if I missed any truck that I should have caught, but there's no more power left in the camera. We done had a great truck show. Like, comment, subscribe. It's your boy, Mr. K-Wave, man. We the team, we the dream. Like, comment, subscribe one more time just for good luck. And join the Wave team. And I'll see y'all in the next video, man. Let's get it, man. Yee! Just slapped the truck on.